Sorry. My teeth are so bad. I have cat teeth for my cat demon. And it's my cat demon that makes me horny. When I lose my teeth, it's all falling out. When I lose my teeth, I want to have a cat to have a man or be married or have sex. And there's no reason to live and end up hanging myself. And I'm eating corn and white meat and have been on vampire isolation diet since 2015. And somebody's still poisoning me and I'm getting hunger pains on a full stomach and somebody else is pooping in my butt and I'm dying. It is not fair.